Hello, my lovely friends, and welcome at the last part of our drawing details and background. Characters look quite finished, but believe me, it's not, and we will see difference at the end. So stop talking, let's drawing. Create new layer above the final sketch, set it as multiply, and draw all important details like eyes, hands, wrinkles, and so on. Great. When you finish, you can play with the visibility of layer and set it the way you like it the most. And now we will draw the ground, just a few simple lines and circles like pebbles. Okay, and now we will repeat it with the girl, and we will draw all of her details, hairs, clothes, and so on. Of course, don't forget to change the colors. So now choose a color similar to the skin and draw the details. And don't forget finish the drawing of the ground under the girl if you haven't done it yet. Let's draw the fur. Really, only simple, irregular lines are enough. If you want a bear more cute, go back to the layer with pink ears and draw pink cheeks. At the very bottom, create a new layer, choose a blue color and draw clouds. Then go to the selection tool, select the space around the clouds, invert and color the clouds. If any cloud remained unselected, check the contour line and correct it. It must be closed. After fixing, just repeat the magic with the selection tool. Choose a darker blue color and highlight cloud edges. Create a new layer at the very bottom and paint it blue. Then highlight the censure with white color. I decided that I wanted the clouds to be white, so I changed the blend of the clouds layer to screen and increased the brightness to maximum. Create a new layer above the clouds and draw the green ground. Don't forget to draw also some grass. And we go to the final shadows. Under the final sketch layer, create a new layer, set the blend to linear burn 40%. Choose a purple-gray color and start drawing the darkest shadows. of course, we have to draw shadows on the girl as well. So we are at the end. How did you guys like it? Let me know if you understood everything, because English is still a big problem for me. And if yes, I look forward to you to the next video. Bye bye.